How to temporarily deactivate your WhatsApp account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is a quick and easy process to temporarily deactivate your WhatsApp account. So let's jump right in. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So first of all, open your WhatsApp Messenger and then go to the settings, and there you'll see account. Tap on it, and here you can only see delete my account option. Well, there is no option to only deactivate, but account deletion option is also temporary because your contacts will still see your profile and then they can send you a message till 30 days. This only disables your account so you can regain it if you open it again after 30 days. But if you don't re-register your account within 30 days, it will be deleted. Now, if you don't want to go through this tedious process, what you can do is just cancel this and go to the settings on your phone and then search for WhatsApp. And what you can do is go to notifications and then just toggle off the allow notifications option. This will help you to not get notifications of WhatsApp until you open the app itself. Another thing what you can do is go to the WhatsApp and then long tap it and just remove the app if you don't want to see it for a few days. And if you install it again, then all your chats will remain intact. Well, that's it. It's as simple as that. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.